such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your ways.
What's up, y'all? It's Ari and I'm back with another video. Back. And today I am back with an update on Ishow hair. As you can see, this hair is still lovely after a couple of months of having it. I cut it, I dyed it, everything, and it's still here. Like, it still has body, still has shine, all that. The hair was straight, but of course I curled it because I want to show you guys that just because it's straight hair doesn't mean that it can't curl or can't hold the curl. So yeah, y'all see this beautiful hair. But if you would like to see this video, of course continue watching. But before you do, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into the video.
So gone, boy, I want it. We be on the phone all day and all night. Yeah, I know you want me, yeah, I know I'm your type. Boy, you got me tripping, it's a different kind of high. And yeah, you got me slipping, but boy, I'm so high. I like it, yeah, I like it. Loving how you do the things you do, I can't hide it. Get me higher, yeah, ignite it. Show me how it feels, lift me up, I wanna try it. Keep it player, cause that's always been my memo. But it's different now, I see you making plans, so I don't care what no one say. It's a high that I can't take. All this feeling in my body is real.
I'm gonna take some heat protector, spray it all around, get it on there, get it on there, get it on there. I'm about to start curling. So, front, of course you want to curl to the back because you want those body flips, you know what I'm saying? So I won't be gluing my sides down because, like I said, I'ma just put the hair like, you know? So I'm not really gonna do that. I'm just got an elastic band. It's gonna keep it snug all day. So now we're just gonna go ahead and curl it. And this hair, I've had it for like a couple of months now since I did my last video on it. And it held up pretty good. Like, I just, you know, put some color on it and stuff like that. Just to make it look more like two-toned, if you get what I'm saying. So just curl it going to the back. And I kind of raised it kind of like a little too much. I was kind of going for like a shorter look in a way, but I ended up kind of cutting it a little too short. But as y'all can see, it curls good. It curl good. See? Y'all already know this style finna be cute. So this side, you take it to the back. And this is like if you just need to go somewhere real quick, like out to eat, hang with the girls, anything like that. When you do an elastic band, it's just easier. You don't have to glue nothing down, nothing. So all of this is glueless, but it'll still stay on. Like, it'll still stay on. So I'm done curling, and it curls nicely. I don't want like dramatic baby hair or anything, so I'm gonna just pull out that little bit that I have, and I'm gonna just go ahead and swoop it because I don't really want like a lot going on, if you get what I'm saying. I don't want all that. I just want something nice and real sleek. I get the baby hairs in the curls. You kind of just want to comb it out just a little bit. So y'all, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to shop Ishow hair. This hair is very silky, has body, and you can curl it. Like, this hair was straight hair, but you see I can curl it. And then of course when you go out, you want to spritz it up, spray some hairspray or something, just to be sure that your curls don't fall, because straight hair normally falls. But as you can see, the hair is absolutely beautiful, and like the texture is just so bomb. Like, I love this Ishow hair. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love y'all, and I cannot wait to see y'all in the next freaking video.